Hey there everyone! Today, we're going to be drawing Jaxon Cross from Beyblade X, and this guide was actually requested by one of our subscribers in a previous video. This tutorial consists of 22 steps, and the first 3 steps will focus on creating the basic structure and stick figure for our character. From there, step by step, we'll start adding more details to bring the drawing to life. Before we jump in, I just want to say that I'd really appreciate it if you watch this video until the end, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment to support the content. It really helps with the channel's growth, and I'd be incredibly grateful if you could do that. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of the guide. At this stage, carefully erase the base sketch that we created in the first 3 steps to make the final drawing look clearer. Alternatively, if you'd like, you can outline the finished sketch with a pen or ink, and once it's dry, erase all the pencil lines to get a clean and polished look. And with that, this guide is complete. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can find unique, hand-drawn coloring pages available for purchase through the link in the description. Each coloring page is made in vector format, so you can scale the image as much as you want without losing any quality. These pages are only available in my store. You won't find them anywhere else. They're a great way to dive into creativity and bring fun animal-themed scenes to life. And if you'd prefer to follow this guide in a text format, there's also a link in the description that will take you to the website where the full guide, along with step-by-step images, has already been published. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Keep practicing, because we've got tons of awesome drawings ahead. Take care, and happy sketching.